Your privileged accounts give system-wide access to anyone with the passwords. How well protected are yours? Do they change often? Do you know who's using them? Are they easy to crack? If so, then you may be risking a serious data security breach. Let's face it, unmanaged privileged accounts are responsible for many security breaches, causing damaged reputations, loss of money, and penalties from bad audits. Today, lots of organizations are migrating to cloud computing. This reduces costs and makes them leaner. However, security is an issue. How do you protect your information and data when everyone is sharing the same IT resources and services? How can you monitor who's accessing your systems and know what they're doing? Can you be sure that security policies are being followed, or that access to your data is being securely separated from other people's? Bottom line, the issue of managing privileged accounts is even bigger in the cloud, as you no longer have full control. Not only does this mean big problems when facing your next audit, but more importantly, the outsider becomes the insider and has access to everything. CyberArk's Privileged Identity Management Suite gives you back control and makes cloud computing a win-win situation for both cloud customers and service providers. How do we do this? Let's take a look. Meet Eric, an IT administrator at a large service provider. His administrator passwords are rarely changed, known to many, and used anonymously. Anyone can access the system, and no one knows who's doing it. With CyberArk, Eric's activities are monitored, recorded, and securely stored. His access controlled by your policies. Cloud service customers know when their data is accessed, by whom, and what for, all via an easy-to-use web interface. Cloud service providers also benefit from CyberArk. You can individually tailor all security policies using one central interface. Your customers get to view their accounts separately, while you keep control of the overall system. You can lock privileged accounts safely away in a digital vault and monitor your staff's activities around the clock to minimize security breaches. Plus, automatic and central management of privileged accounts means a more productive workforce, better service, and smoother audits, with full transparency to your customers. The result? Less fines for you and happy customers who use your cloud services for longer. When it comes to privileged identity management, CyberArk is the industry leader. 1 in every 3 Fortune 50 companies and 8 of the top 10 global banks rely on CyberArk solutions. We can help you secure, manage, and monitor your privileged accounts, whether in the cloud or on-premise. To request a live demo, go to www.cyber-ark.com/demo.